Hello, yeah, very good morning and very special greeting for all of you guys. Today's video is going to be very special today because we are going to deal with some of the very important topics regarding with the body language means whatever it is says in different words, body language, what communication, language communication like that, and another um, that. The way of personality that tells something through the contact lens or through the iconic manner. So, in iconic manner, we count some of the important things that make the personality very emphatic and so perfect that it relates a person that he has some exposure, he has some resources that he can provide something uh, for the needy requirement. So for the requirement that a man must have the five things, and he has to indicate through this that he is able, and he has his own feelings, and he has his own feelings and share and thoughts and mental ability and physical ability uh, to presume or to resume or to do activity at any place or anywhere. So for the personality development or in body language, the first thing is that your face contact. Whenever you will talk in front of a mirror or a group among a group of people, uh, whether it is your family, friend, or locality, you have to be very honest regarding your face contact because it is said that the face is the mirror of the heart. What type of incidents is going to happen in your life, it indicates from your face. So face must be very exposure, must be smiley, must have a green, must have a thought that indicates that you are going to do something special uh, for the team, for the organization, for the member, means yeah, you have to through the face you have to indicate that you are ready to fulfill the criteria of social identity, personal identity, and professional identity. It is not only a one day preparation you have to do through it beginning from the beginning. Sometimes also people say that कि जैसे लोग कहते हैं कि आज चेहरे पे बहुत सिकरन दिखाई दे रहा है, चेहरे पे बहुत शिकन दिखाई दे रहा है, वो उससे पता चलता है कि कहने का मतलब ये हुआ कि क्या आपकी ज़िंदगी में कुछ ऐसे मतलब समस्याएं हैं या कुछ गलत कुछ ऐसी गतिविधियां हो रही हैं जिससे कि आप काफ़ी परेशान दिखाई दे रहे हैं। और भी इन बातों से जैसे कह सकते हैं कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा मतलब मुरझाया हुआ चेहरा है। मुरझाया चेहरा का मतलब ये हुआ कि ज़रूर आपकी ज़िंदगी में कुछ परेशानियाँ हैं, ज़रूर ही जो आप अपनी ज़बान से नहीं कह सकते हैं, लेकिन आप जो चेहरा है वो बयाँ कर रहा है, वो व्यक्त कर रहा है। So in this manner, the face indicates many of the things that is going inside a person's life. So what you have to, and whatever it is achievement or whatever it is the any confusion or any uh, dispute or whatever it's going in your life, it can be read, it can be recognizable through the face. Many of the teachings and the courses are regarding with uh, the personality uh, through their identity, through their personality, through their personification. And the next thing is that the eye contact. Eye contact is very important. In eye contact, you know, eye contact one of the very important thing regarding the personality. Through the eyes we can judge many other things, we can indicate many other things through the eyes. While to the eye blinking, we can indicate someone that this such type of work is needed. Eye is the most important part of the body. So, how you make an impact to the eyes, it all depends upon you. Some of the very proverbs also in Hindi, आंखों ही आंखों में इशारा करना, आंखों से बात अपनी कह पाना, आंखों से किसी का अंदर के भेद को जान पाना, आँखों से पकड़े जाना. Like that, many of the proverbs, it means that your eyes should be very positive, very creative, very indicative. You have to decide upon about that, and you have to decide about this. So, to the eyes, what type of negotiations, what type of conversations can be completed. Eyes are one of the very important portion, one of the important source of for conservation, for conversation. So after the eyes and face contact, the third one is the gesture. Gesture, it means that the combining of both of the one and two. Um, but in gesture, your physical appearance, like how you sit, how you stand, how you talk with the people, how you motivate them, how you aggravate them, how your activity gravitate them or attract them for your, and what type of objective you have, you want to fulfill uh, among the people, to this you can complete it, you can complete. So gesture it means in हिंदी भंगिमा, मतलब यानी कि अपने दाहिक भंगिमाओं के द्वारा भी हम बहुत सारे लोगों को एग्रीवेट मोटिवेट कर सकते हैं. जैसे कि बहुत सारे, अगर हम एक्टर को देखें या उनके बात करने का स्टाइल, उनके बैठने का स्टाइल, उनके सोचने का मतलब उनका जो अलग अलग तरह के स्टाइल्स होते हैं, जो डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ एक्टिविटीज होते हैं, और या कोई भी वेटरन पर्सनालिटी को वट एवर, जैसे किसी को भी हम लोग देखते हैं, जैसे नरेंद्र मोदी वट एवर, शाहरुख खान एंड अक्षय कुमार वट एवर, जिन्हें भी हम देखते हैं उन्हें ऐसा उनको देखने के बाद हमें प्रतीत होता है कि ये ऐसा हैज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पर्सनालिटी. अमिताभ बच्चन, that how details and how the uh, gestures talk, and gestures say something special um, for the society, for the internal strength and knowledge domain, many of the things and you can indicate through your gesture. So, so your gesture are very important part of your body. So for this you have to very very impulsive, and you have to be very effective, and learn then how to be very effective through your gestures. And after the gesture, a very important part, one of the very important thing, that is your body shape. Body shape means you all have thick, but body shape means you have very fatty, you are very drum, you are very means whatever you are, you have to look very your look, your means your body shape. Your means basically body shape count, like handsome, physique, tall, short, fatty, um, and dwarf. Many other things you can count under the body shape. And it's all about the requirement of the organization, requirement about the society. When you whenever you do overeating, to the overeating your body get very fatty, and it has many of the fat, so it makes your body not very active, and you can't do very hard work. You feel more comfortable. You always try to make some rest anywhere. So try to make your body so impressive, and so that you can pursue your work. And people have also believed that no, it's no problem. Your physique means your personality can do their work. And after the body shape, one of the very important, the last person, and the last person, the fifth person our is appearance. Appearance means what, you have all the four things. You have face contact, you have eye contact, you have gesture, and you have body shape. And the last one is appearance, how you appear in front of the people, how you appear in front of the society, how you appear in front of yourself. So you have to be very creative, attractive uh, to your profile, whatever your culture, whatever the profession you are follow, you have to be appear in such a manner, and regard in such a manner that your professional, that your profession and your society and your culture regards and venerate your appearance. It means the way you wear a shoe and trouser, shirt, tie, whatever, and how you in or out, whatever, what type of dropping styles you have in your clothing, and your three-piece or whatever your blazers, jeans, t-shirt, whatever, it makes an appearance sense. Or an appearance change the cloth, the matter, matter, the types of color you choose. Color also indicate your personality, your selection, your rejection, your thinking and thought. In color, what type of motivation you want to, through the color, what type of motivation you want to, what type of driveness you want to give to the people. It also indicates, so your appearance is a very important thing. And but appearance, I always remember that is the last part of the personality. Always remember the face contact, eye contact is most important part of the personality, and then after the gesture. And gesture, after the gesture, body shape. But body shape is a requirement whenever you are going to Indian Army, whenever you are going to do in acting place. So your physique must have say something that you are ready and you are doing, you are able to do their work, and you look must be look handsome and physique. In girls side also, it's very girls or whether it's women or actress, whatever, uh, they must have, they really they give more attention regarding their the body language, appearance, the way you watch, the way you wear a watch, the way you wear a, you pick a pen, the way uh, you make your tie, the way you make your collars, the way you make the buttons in. So it's all the things that indicates your personality. So keep it all, and happy day. So whenever you are going in front of the people, think about these things with you, because it's very important and very lucrative, and very whenever you are facing an interview in front of the people, in front of anywhere, you have to be in judge about your personality or body language, so that your way and your it tells more words rather than your mouth. Because always remember, personality means body language say more things in front of the people, among the people, rather than your tongue. मतलब ये हुआ कि आपकी ज़बान से ज़्यादा आपके जो दैहिक भंगिमा है वो ज़्यादा बातें करते हैं, वो ज़्यादा बताते हैं आपके बारे में, आपका नॉलेज, आपके ज्ञान के बारे में। सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर कि ज़रूर से अवश्य ही ऐसे बातों को ध्यान में रखें। सो गाइस, आप शेयर करें, कमेंट करें, वॉट एवर, आप वीडियो को लाइक करें, डिसलाइक करें, जो भी आपको अच्छा हो वो अवश्य करें।